guys, Savannah again, and today I am scared for one, but so today I'm going to be reviewing this ApHogee stop breakage protein treatment. I've been wanting to do this for a long time, but I'm honestly scared as fuck because I don't know, I've watched a lot of tutorials on it and it works for some people it doesn't work. And my hair is, I don't know if I would say damaged. I mean, maybe. I just feel like my curls aren't the same anymore. And so I've been wanting to do a protein treatment to kind of restore them and bring them back. And it comes with a 2-step thingy. And it's the treatment, 2-step protein treatment. And then the balancing moisturizer. I don't know if you can see that. I got this from the hair store in Kansas City because I didn't feel like spending the money on like the big bottles because I don't know if it's gonna work for me yet. But I guess it's recommended to do it like once every 2 months or something because it's that strong. Also, I know I look crusty as hell. Baby hair's not even laid down, forehead on 10 million. But that's okay, I'm gonna get ready later and hopefully look like a human being. I'm scared, so I'm gonna do it and then I'll be back and show you the results. All right, y'all, here goes nothing. So it told me to wash my hair, like shampoo my hair first, and so I did that. So rinse thoroughly and towel dry. So I towel dried it. It says apply enough ApHogee treatment to thoroughly saturate your hair and comb blend through with a wide tooth comb for even distribution. Leave hair uncovered. Do not use a plastic cap. It says you can use a hand dryer, but don't touch your hair while it's drying. And it doesn't say to use gloves, so I'm not. So hopefully I don't get like chemically burned or some shit. And this is like my hair towel, like when I dye my hair or do whatever, like this is the towel I use, so that's why I look so fucked up. Okay, I'm nervous. So I'm just gonna like shitty part my hair. Ooh. Scared. Okay. I hope this is enough for my head, honestly. And that freaking noise is the fan in my bathroom. Whenever the light turns on, like, that goes on. So, ooh, what the fuck? This shit is like fucking liquidy as hell. I didn't expect that. Ooh, I'm scared. I'm scared. Like, if you couldn't.
It's hella liquidy.
Okay. It's fine. Oh, I just dropped some. This is totally fine. I'm just gonna like. Oh, this shit stinks. Ew, this stinks. Okay. Ooh. If my hair falls out. All bad. It said it gets extremely hard when it dries. And this is hard. I wouldn't say extremely hard, but I mean. But yeah, I would say it's pretty hard. So what it says to do next is do not comb or brush through it. Re-wet and gently rinse through thoroughly.
I can't even read.
thoroughly with warm water. Remove all excess dry protein and then towel dry. And then after that, apply the ApHogee Balancing Moisturizer to hair and scalp. Leave on for 2 minutes, then rinse thoroughly. And proceed to next service or style as usual. Okay, so I'm about to wash this out. And then apply the moisturizer and I'll be back. Okay, so I just washed the protein out, and honestly, my stuff don't be curling up like this, like when it's super wet. So I'm kind of excited because I mean, okay. All right, so I'm about to put the moisturizer on. This kind of smells like a men's body wash. Weird. And after this, once I rinse it out, I'm gonna hop in the shower, and then I'm gonna dry my hair in my diffuser and put my cream in there that I normally do. And so I'll be back. All right, y'all, I'm back. Honey, my hair has not looked this healthy, curly, bouncy in a good minute. Like, that shit is magical. This is what it looked like a couple months ago, like no curl definition at all. And this is what it looked like after the treatment. And I think it looks a whole lot better, sis. And so I was reading up on it, and it said to do it every 4 to 6 weeks. And if you do it more than that, you won't see results. So I'm kind of curious to see the next time I wash my hair if it'll be this curly and bouncy and healthy looking. Like, I'm very, very impressed. I am very, very, very impressed, honey. I think I'm going to go ahead and purchase the bottles of it just so I can have it. But I'm really happy with this result. Also, my hair is, like, lightening back up. I had dyed it black after dyeing it blonde and red. And it's clearly coming back through. And I don't like that shit. So, I'm going to have to dye it here soon. But all right, y'all, hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, turn on notifications, all that good stuff.